Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is Wednesday, January 31st, 2024. Be the one professional who can help when no one else can. So dare to make a difference. In this photo, you are seeing a horse named Madeline, who is 26 years old, and she has a chronic swelling in her left hind leg due to cellulitis. And I received a very heartwarming email, and I'm very touched by this. In fact, I'm going to print it out and put it in a picture frame to remind me every time when I hit the wall why I do what I do. Anyway, she has two special needs children and one special needs horse. You talk about problems, she's got her back against the wall, and I am honored to help her. Here is what the exciting thing is for the first time I've been able to refer a horse owner to an equine lymphatic therapist who is within 1 hour of where she lives. This is phenomenal. And we really going to work, all of us are going to work hard to restore Madeline and give Emily hope. I hope equine practitioners out there will consider our program. It's a niched, untapped, and misunderstood market. And for the right person, for the right reasons, it could be dynamite. So if you have any questions about it, email me at info@healequine.com. You can take a look at the First Equine Lymphatic Curriculum at healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. And seriously consider becoming an equine lymphatic therapist, and you can schedule a call to discuss your journey of possibilities. And don't forget, dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024. And we're going to do it with Madeline and believe in the possible.